How to change profile picture on Facebook page. Now let's say you have this Facebook page that you want to change the existing profile picture of. All you have to do in order for you to change that is to go to your main menu right here and tap on this arrow down button right here in order for you to switch to your Facebook page. Just right here. Now, after you have switched to your Facebook page, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon right here and tap on this little camera beside the profile picture right here. Next thing to do is to tap on choose profile picture and it will unlock you on your gallery. So all you have to do is to pick a picture on your gallery that you want to change your existing profile picture of. Let's say right here. And then you have all the option whether you want to make it a temporary picture or add frame to it or share this update to your newsfeed. You can also add caption to it if you want to. Now once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on save right here and it will automatically be uploaded. So that's how to change profile picture on Facebook page. Hope we help.